In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn Facebook friends into followers. Turning friends into followers on Facebook allows you to expand your reach and influence without the constraints of the friend limit, which shifts your essential if you're looking forward to grow your online presence. To do this, simply head to your Facebook. You will then tap onto the menus icon on your bottom right. Head to your profile. On your profile page, as you can see, I have 18 friends, so let's turn them into followers. Simply select on these three dots right here. Inside the profile settings, navigate onto the option of Turn on Professional Mode. And guys, if you don't see or can't enable this option, make sure to either unlock your profile or just update to the latest Facebook version. Head to it and tap on Turn. Make sure to refresh your Facebook. Your friends will turn into followers. That's how easy it is to turn Facebook friends into Facebook followers. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.